everyone, my name is Puja Kumari from BCOM 4th SEM AQ. Today I am going to speak on the topic margin of safety, which is given by Nitish sir. Meaning of margin of safety. Margin of safety is the difference between your business gross revenue and the break-even point. Break-even point generally means where the business does not occur any loss or any profit. Margin of safety formula is AS minus BEPS, where MOS stands for margin of safety, AS stands for actual sale, and BEPS stands for break-even point safety. There are some significance of margin of safety which is important in the margin of safety. First, if the margin of safety is high, the business will be really good, or it will sound good and it can overcome from any problem. But if the margin of safety is low or small, a profitable position can be converted into loss position. Therefore, margin of safety works as a cushion between loss position and profit position. Third, it alerts the management of risk of a loss which is about to happen. That's all from my side.